After plugging in, all indicators will flash once. The unit will then enter standby mode, with only the power indicator remaining on. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The default operating mode is set to 40% RH at the quiet fan speed. The display will show the current room humidity. The backlit front display shows the current room humidity level and is easy to read from a distance. Press the Mirage button to turn the mode on or off. Press the fan speed button to cycle through 3 fan modes: quiet, high, and low. Press the up and down buttons to enter auto dehumidification mode. The humidity level can be set from 35% to 80% and adjusts in 5% RH increments. Press the mode button to cycle through the following preset options: comfort, basement, and continuous. The indicator light for the selected mode will be on. In operating mode, press the timer button to set the shutdown function. The timer indicator will turn on, and the display will show 0.5. Press up and down to adjust the time from 0.5 to 24 hours. In 0.5 hour increments between 0.5 to 10 hours and 1 hour increments between 10 to 24 hours. In standby mode, press the timer button to set the startup function. Press up and down to adjust the time. To cancel the timer, press the timer button again. Press and hold the timer button for 3 seconds to activate the child lock. The lock indicator will turn on and all other buttons will be disabled. To deactivate, press and hold the timer button again for 3 seconds. After the dehumidifier has run for 250 hours, the filter cleaning indicator will turn on. After cleaning the filter, press the filter button to reset the indicator. When the water bucket is full, the unit will shut off automatically, making a beeping sound, and the bucket full indicator will light up. Hold the sides of the bucket with both hands and gently pull it out. Dispose of the collected water. When replacing the water bucket, press the bucket firmly into place with both hands. Unscrew the drainage outlet cover on the back of the machine. Insert the drain hose and make sure the hose is securely attached to prevent leaks. The dehumidifier will then continuously drain water. Take out the filter frame first and wash with water. Use a vacuum cleaner to gently absorb the dust on the surface of the filter. If the filter is very dirty, wipe it with warm water and a soft cleaner and dry it completely. Insert the filter frame back on correctly.